What's up, you guys? It is Ashley here, and I'm so excited to be sharing this choreography with you today. Salsa and bachata in particular are two of my favorite styles of dance, probably because I've been doing them the longest in my career. I feel like I have the most freedom with them to play with like different styles, different timings, different expressions, different fusions, right? Within those styles. So today you're getting a little dose of that. This bachata routine has a little bit of Dominican, a little bit of urban, a little bit of sensual bachata. So we're gonna have a lot of fun. I love playing with music, like the different voice inflections, different rhythms in the instruments. You're definitely gonna feel all of that in this choreography. And yeah, we're gonna have a lot of fun. So thank you so much for being here. I'm excited to be sharing with you a little bit of my talents, and let's go ahead and get started. All right, you guys, so I am going to be turning around so you can see my back. So I am a direct reflection of what you guys are going to be doing. All right, so we're gonna be starting off with our feet together. So my right foot towards my left foot. I'm gonna be stepping out to the side. I'm going to be taking my hip forward to back. My right hip goes forward to back. So forward to back. So it's a roll. Then I'm going to take my left hip forward to back, and then I'm going to slide my right foot in. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. That's full 4 counts. Left hip, 5, 6, 7, 8. On the 8, we're going to rotate to a diagonal, so then we can step forward with our right foot. All right, so that's our footwork. Now we're going to be adding the arms with that. So as we step out to the side, we're going to take our arm up and roll the hip. So that's all 4 counts. And as we take our weight onto our left foot, I'm going to go 5, 6, 7, 8. And I just drape this hand down my neck, okay? So doing those two things together, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to go ahead and step forward with our right foot. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like a little ronde with our left foot. So we were here. So I'm going to step forward. 1, 2. I fully transfer my weight onto my right foot. Then I'm going to ronde my left foot around and scoop it up and under my body. So that's on 5, no, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I'm going to step forward on 5, 6. I'm going to rotate 7, 8. This ronde is not going to be as large as the one previously because we're not going to be rotating as much. Okay? So again, we're going to step forward. 1, 2, ronde, 3, 4. Then we're going to step 5, 6, ronde, 7, 8. Okay? Now with our arms on that one, I'm going to circle my left arm as I ronde. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to bring it down, and then nothing on the first step, going 5, 6, 7, 8. We're just going to leave it towards the center of our body, around the waist area. Roughly about 90 degrees, hands soft in not a tight fist, but soft into a loose fist, right? So putting those two 8 counts together, we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's our first 2 8 counts. All right, so we're going to be moving on to the next 2 8 counts. Stepping with our right foot to the side, we're going to do a similar hip roll, but it's going to go faster. So we're going to go forward to back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is correct. We're doing it 3 times. All right, so again, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you notice on the 3, 4, 7, 8, I'm pressing into the floor with that free foot. So I'm stepping to the side, I roll 1, 2. So my weight's fully on that right foot, And then on 3, I'm pressing 3, 4, pressing into the floor, like digging in sand. Then that foot is free, where I'm going to go 5, 6, I roll, my weight's completely on that left foot, and then I press into the floor for 7, 8. So I bring my hip up into a neutral position, and then I bring it forward. All right, so that's happening 3 times. So repeat, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, as I'm doing that, I'm going to be facing you guys so you can see what's going on with my arms. I'm bringing my hand to my hip. It's almost like I'm sending it back, pushing it back, and that's all I'm doing. So it accentuates what's going on here. Where our hands go is where we want the eyes to go. Just so you know. All right, so after our 3rd time to the side, we're going to be stepping to the side with our left foot, 5, 6. So it's a hip roll as well, but it's going to be exaggerated, and we're going to be bending our knees. 5, 6, 7, 8. That's without the arms. So we tap. So we go 5, 6. So I'm taking the hip to the corner. 5, 6, 7, tap 8. Our right foot is free. Now what's happening with the arms here, this is a little tricky. I know this is going to seem weird, but I want you to bring your hands together in front of your body, like this. Now I want you to slide your right hand down your left arm as you take it out to the side. So I'll face you. My right hand is following my left arm as it goes to the side. I'll turn around so you guys can see it. My right arm is following my left arm to the side. That is what's happening as we step to the side with our left foot on 5 with this arm action. I'll show you. So we're here on 1, 2, 3, 4 for the 3rd time. Then we're going to go 5, 6, 7, 8. 5. So this is actually more so happening on the 4 and, if I want to get technical. 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I'm ready to go, arms are down. So that is our 2nd set of 8 counts. Yeah? So let's put this together. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. So let's try it that much to music. Into our next set of 8 counts. So we're going to be actually starting with a walk forward. Our right foot is free. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, back 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to do it a 3rd time. We're going to walk forward, but our arms are going to stay in that neutral position, about 90 degrees, loose fists. Right foot forward. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, pretty simple. We're just walking forward and back. You're going to be tapping on your 4 and 8, just like normal. So again, starting with the right foot, and then we take both of our arms up. When we take both of our arms up, I'm leading actually with the wrists, right? Okay, so that's the body part I'm thinking about lifting up as I walk forward. I'm going 1, 2, 3, tap 4. I'm tapping slightly back, okay? And then I'm taking the arms down. I'm breaking at the elbows as I walk back for 5, 6, 7, tap 8. And I'm touching myself. It's okay to touch yourself. That's what makes it sexy, right? Breaking at the elbows. And then I'm sliding my hands down the base of my neck to the top of my chest. And then that's it. And then I'm going to bring them down to a neutral position. We don't really play too much with this. as of right now, okay? Going in this area, all right? Just keeping it real. All right, so here we go. 5, 6, 7, 3 times. 1, 2, 3, tap 4, 5, 6, 7, walk. 1, 2, 3, tap 4. Then from here, this is where it's gonna get a little trickier. I'm gonna step on 5. I'm gonna do a body roll on 6, which transfers my weight onto my left foot. So 5, 6. Then I'm gonna stick my leg out, 7, and drop 8. So my right foot is forward, okay? And my hands are about at my ankles. Now everyone is going to have a different level of a drop, depending how comfortable you are with your own body weight distribution, flexibility, and all that stuff. So if this feels okay for you, work it. You can work it from any angle. If you're able to drop, that's awesome. The trick with this move is that if something's going forward, something has to go back. So my butt, my left butt cheek has to go further back so that my head can go further forward. If I were to keep my butt where it's at and to go forward, I would tumble over. There's no way it would work. My back leg, my left leg is bent, my booty is going back like if I were sitting in a chair. That allows me to drop, okay, with no problem. And I have my balance. The other thing, if you can see my feet, they're not in a perfect line here. They're actually still under each other, under the hips. It's just forward, this one's slightly turned in so that I can drop, no problem, and come up, which we'll be doing here in a second. But that's really, really important. That's what makes this work, okay? So repeating that again, in the body roll, so I'm taking my right rib cage, taking it to the right, then I'm taking it to the left, okay? I start right to left, facing this way, right to left. So that's what's gonna take me over onto my left foot. So we have 5, I'm just sticking my left leg to the side. 5, I'm doing a body roll. 6 transfers my weight, extend the leg. 7, so I have this space that I can drop on 8. And I place my hands around, roughly around my ankles. And that's my drop. Okay, so that's our 2 8 counts. So let's put that together and then we're gonna go from the top. All right, here we go. 2 8 counts, 5, 6, 7, we walk. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're gonna pop up on 1, 2, 3, tap 4, okay? I lost my counting there for a second. All right, let's go from the top. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We walk. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, tap 4. Ayo. Okay, let's give that a shot to music.
We got this one, baby. Carl Wolf, David Lopera, Ricky, súbeme la guitarra. Sé que no es nada extraño vernos en este lugar. El silencio grita, ya no hay nada. Siente vivido todo fuera de lo natural. Es fuerte el amor, pero sin cara. Everything for you was once my plan. You were my baby, and I was your man. But we kept the silence.
All right, so we got our next 2 8 counts. All right, so you already know a little bit of the one, right? So we had dropped down into our drop. So we're here on 8. We come up on 1, 2, 3, 4. My right foot is still free. Now I'm going to go over my left shoulder. I'm going to step to the side. 5, tap 6, continuing to the left shoulder, but I'm going to step forward. 7, tap 8. So it's a little bit of a rotation. So again, my right side is towards the front, right? So I've dropped down. Here on 8, I'm going to come up on 1, 2, 3, tap 4. I'm going to step side. 5, 6, 7, 8. I've rotated to the left. Okay, then from here, there was nothing with our arms, just keeping them again in that neutral position. I'm going to do a Dominican box. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, tap 4. So that's side together, back, tap. Then I'm going to go 5 and 6 and 7, 8. I rotate to my left again, right side to the front. So that is our 2 8 counts. Let's repeat that. So we've dropped down. We come up on 1, 2, 3, tap 4. Step side, 6, 7, 8, box 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. And that's our 2 8 counts. Excuse me. All right, from the top. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. We have 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, walk. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, up. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Ayo. Let's do that to music.
We got this one, baby. Carl Wolf, David Opera, Ricky, súbeme la guitarra. Sé que no es nada extraño vernos en este lugar. El silencio grita, ya no hay nada. Siempre he vivido todo fuera de lo natural. Es fuerte el amor, puedes sacar. Everything for you was once my plan. You were my baby, and I was your man. But we kept the silence, the groove inside. Now it speaks through our eyes.